Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to resolve disappeared matches on Hinge. So let's get started with the video. Open the Hinge application and after that go to the chat icon that you will see at the lower right side. And here go through all the chats and search for that particular match. If that match is not available here, that probably means that they might have unmatched you, or because the Hinge don't keep the conversation that have been unmatched. The next thing which you can see, if they didn't unmatched you can try to log in and log out again of the application. Go to the profile icon. Here at the upper right side you will see a setting button. Click on that. Scroll down till the end. Here you will see an option of logout. Click on that and try to again sign into the application. The next thing which you can do is you can try to clear the cache of the application. You can go to the settings, search for the Hinge application, and here post that you need to go to the storage section and then clear cache at lower right side. Once you have done that, the next thing possibility, you can try to update the application. Go to the Play Store, search for Hinge application and make sure you are using the updated version and it is not an outdated version which is causing the issue. The next thing which you can do is always contact the Hinge support and let them know that your matches are still missing, and you can submit a request to them. In order to do that, you can go to the browser, search to contact Hinge support. The second option you will see here, that is submit a request. Click on that. Here you can choose your issue below, that what is your issue. You can click on submit an appeal over here. You can enter your email address and phone number that has been attached to your application, your first name, all the details and reason for appeal you can choose here. You can choose other and enter the detail over here. Also you can attach the screenshot under the matches that you are not getting that, and then you can click on submit. So they will respond to you on the email which you have mentioned here and is linked to your account. So this is how you can fix this issue. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.